Hey guys, welcome back! We're going to show you some simple tricks to make your presentation a lot more formal and interactive. Let us watch some cool stuff before we begin. Let's start today's video by taking you through this slide specifically. Here is a blank presentation. The first step is to add the background. You can find a more detailed tutorial on how to insert background on our channel page. Don't forget to click the option Apply to All. The next step is to add content to the slide, which I will make it look just like the slide we showed you before. These are great inspirations for you to organize your presentation for it to look very well designed. I'm simply adding few text boxes and adjust the font type and size. You can add the text boxes under the Insert option on top menu bar.
You are my sunlight.
The final step to make this slide come to life is to add animation to the text boxes. To make this process even faster, you can select multiple options at the same time to add animation. And let's start from the left side of this slide. Select the boxes. Find animation in the menu bar. Click the option Costume Animation. On the right side operation menu, add the effect you like. We're going to select something simple as wipe to match up the clean, simple business style. You can edit the motion from any angle and still to match up the style. Best way is to hold consistency throughout the slide. If we divided the right side into two groups, first, let's add animation to the numbers. We're gonna select animation called Faded Bloom. Add it to make them start after previous. Then we're going to select everything else left on the slide. Add the animation called Fly In and add it to make all of them fly in from the right side and start automatically. Then drag the animation to match up the animation of the numbers. That's it for today's video. Bye bye.